Hey, what up, everybody? This is Billy with Lockhart Kicks, bringing you nothing but exclusive kicks. Check out this video for more important information on the Jordan 13 Flint. Peace. Hey, what up, everybody? This is Billy with Lockhart Kicks. As I said, today we're going to be taking a look at the Jordan 13 Flint. This is a very cool shoe that's been delayed for a little bit, so without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's bring that shoe right here. All right. So overall, this shoe, it's the first time that we've seen this specific colorway in over a decade. So it's a long time coming. Just taking a look at the landscape, I haven't seen any other colorways that were close to this, so this is definitely a welcomed pair of kicks. Just for me personally, I was in the running. I was trying to cop a pair with the launch. Unfortunately, I wasn't successful, so I'll be taking a look at the resale market. Hopefully, I don't get hurt too bad. But this is definitely an awesome colorway that matches a lot of stuff that I have in my own inventory, so I'm really looking forward to it. All right, so taking a look, just picking apart the sneaker. When looking at it, you have the blue sidewalls that are textured with the kind of the little dots, the accents. You have the white leather, the gray suede that's also contrasting. So I thought it was a very clean, very crisp look. You know, taking a look between the Jumpman logo, just kind of the way that came together, and the way that aqua bluish kind of look, you know, it contrasts with the other colors. So I thought it was a really solid shoe overall. And this, you know, being this iconic model, and this very iconic version of the sneaker, for whatever reason, it always reminded me of kind of like the mattress stores, and how they have like the pillow top mattress. So it looked like a pair of sneakers with like some pillow top mattresses on the side of it. So that's just one thing they just looked comfortable. It just natively looked like this should be able to fall asleep just with the pair of these on. So that's one overall thing that always captured me about this specific type of sneaker. This sneaker was released on May 30th, which is already passed by the time that I filmed this segment. So you know, it's finally out. It's finally out there. Hopefully, you know, you have an opportunity to not get banged up too much in the resale market if you're taking a look at this before you buy. So good luck to everyone out there who's trying to get this sneaker. I'll be joining you. Hopefully, I don't get smashed too much either. So now this brings me to my plug. So taking a look at it, I've designed, and I'll pull it up right about here. I've designed this specific t-shirt to go along with this pair of kicks. Lockhart Designs. This is something that I also do, and I thought basically something to help match and help to you know, bring out the colors in the kicks. Check it out. I have links below if you want to take a look at the store. What I try to do with this store is to basically bring additional pieces that will help complement the kicks. So take a look at the store, take a look at this design. Let me know, is this a sneaker that you have tried to get? Are you getting this sneaker? If so, would you think about rocking that shirt along with it? Let me know. You know, feedback is definitely very helpful. So once again, thank you for watching this video. This was just a quick preview, something to give you a little bit more insight, and a few more pictures, just a little description to help you purchase or decide if you wanted to pull the trigger on this purchase. So let me know what you think in the comments. Is this something that's going to help you buy the sneaker, or Did this deter you away from this sneaker? Let me know. Don't forget to like this video as well as subscribe to the channel. As I said, we bring nothing but exclusive kicks. Once again, this is Billy. Peace.